and activate seamless connection routine in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap mode and routine, and then tap routine. While you are in the routine screen, tap compass like icon at the top right to see the list of the stock routine available. Tap get the mouse out of your phone and then select seamless connection. Next, tap save button to add the routine. Go back to the routine screen to see that the selected routine has been added. Now, when the strength of the Wi-Fi connection you are connected to is just 2 bar or less, the seamless connection routine will be enabled and your phone will automatically turn on your mobile data, so you can keep connected to the internet without you have to manually switch the connection from Wi-Fi to mobile data. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.